Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android phone heating problem. So let's start. First open the settings app. Now tap on connections. Then tap on more connection settings. And here you will see nearby device scanning is enabled. You have to disable that. This will save some battery life and improve your heating problem. Now let's go back. Now go back to settings. Scroll down and tap on device care. Now tap on battery. Now tap on battery usage. And you will see all the apps which are eating up your battery here. Now if you tap on an app, you will see all other informations. And you can also put apps to sleep from here. Tap on the app you want to put to sleep and then enable the option. This will also help save your battery life and improve heating problem. Now let's go back and tap on App Power Management. You have to enable both the options, which are Adaptive Battery and Put Unused Apps to Sleep. Now go back. Now scroll down to the bottom and you have to enable Developer Options. If you haven't enabled already, then tap on About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. Now tap on Build Number 7 times and your developer options will be enabled. Now open Developer Options. Now scroll down to the Apps section. First you have to enable Don't Keep Activities. Then tap on Background Process Limit and set it to at most 2 processes. And that's how you can fix your Android heating problems and improve your battery life. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.